Right, after I have took this one faint down, so I can have this one solid now, from here till right here, solid. This is due to lack of drawing sheet. So I do not have enough drawing sheet. So now let's take a closer look of your left view. Do you see Uguti? We are having this diameter. This diameter is diameter 60, which is that one, which is that one. So to get that, so it's still the same diameter, isn't it? So let me see, is still the same. So now what am I going to do? So now I'll be placing it along this line. Have this line, isn't it? Along this line. Be placing it along this line. Whereas I'm also putting my drawing compass along this line by pencil it at this point. This point, you understand? So, and I'll even draw it dark. There you go. Draw it dark. I'm having crucial points here. Dark. There you go. This is due to lack of drawing sheet. Yeah. So now you see that this apex point seems to be missing. We are not given the dimension from here till there, even again from here till there, we are not given. But we are going to rely to this line. This line, they call it a tangent. So how I'll direct this point to the circumference of the cycle, like this, like this. So I can have it dark till right here. Then when it goes till such an extent, it should be hidden. Where is my eraser? I have to erase it here because it should be a hidden now. It should be a hidden, how, like this, till right there. So which means I must extend this one as well, hidden, till right there. Yes. This apex point of mine is at a bad state. Okay, so now what you can do, now I'm going to take this apex point of mine horizontally towards my front view. You understand? Towards my front view, which is this one. So the apex point of my front view is that one. You understand? So which means I can take my 30mm ruler and join this point with that one, hidden. Like this. And even this other side, hidden. From here to right here. Hidden. Then from there, now I can go back to my left view and take this point horizontally towards my front view, so that from here till right there is solid, and from here till right there is solid, from here till right there is solid. So by look of things, we are done with what? With our projection. With our front view and our left view. You understand? So now we are going to approach to draw the what now? The line of interpenetration. But now let me take this center line, because once it touches there, it's supposed to come to my apex point. That goes as a center. There is my apex point. Apex point, right. So let's divide our circle into 12 equal parts. So we've got two methods of dividing the circle into 12 equal parts, isn't it? So I'll start with this one. I'm going to use the compass to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. So I simply place my drawing compass here, further extend it to the center. This is my center. Then I come and strike an arc here, and strike an arc here. I come to the opposite one, place it here, further extend it to the center, strike an arc here, strike another one here. Then come to this vertical one, place it here, further extend it to the center, further extend it to the center, yes. Then strike an arc here, strike an arc right there. So the last one is supposed to be there. So strike an arc here, strike an arc here. So that's how you divide your circle into 12 equal parts. Join this one, join. So all these points that we are joining, they must pass your center point there, where these two centers of the vertical component and horizontal component, they're actually perpendicular to each other. So there you go with that one. You understand? So what you did to this side, we are going to do it on our auxiliary left view. Auxiliary left view. So take my drawing compass, put it here, further extend it to the center. I strike an arc here, strike an arc there. Come to this one. There you go. There you go. Come to this other one. There you go. There you go. Come to the last one. There you go. There you go. Right. So now this one will go with this one. This one will go with that one. A1. Then this one will come to this one. There you go. This other one will be joined to this one. Right. So let's number our points so that we don't find ourselves struggling. So I'll decide to have a 0 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, back to 0. You understand? So if you check our numbering system, they are in a clockwise order. So of the auxiliary left view, because this is my left view, this is my front view. You understand? This is my front view. Front view. So you understand? So if my 0 of my auxiliary front left view is here, so and it was in a clockwise direction, so the 0 of your auxiliary front view is supposed to be there, so that the 0 of your auxiliary front and the 0 of your auxiliary left, they meet and give you a point of thereby your line of penetration. So, and this one was going clockwise, this one it should be anti-clockwise. So I'll be having a 1 here, and the 2, and the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, back to 0. You understand? So now what we are going to do, go back to your auxiliary left view, which is this one. So we are going to transpose this point vertically down. Once they touch this this line of ours, of our left view, they're supposed to be directed to your apex point. You understand? So we construct them vertically. Once they touch here, they go back, they go down to your apex point. So point 0, look at point 0. It's already there. There it goes, there it goes. Once it touch there, isn't it? Goes to your apex point. Point 6, already there. 6, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Once it touch here, once it touch there, go back to your apex point. Actually, right from our given view, this one is solid. From here till right there is solid. So remember. So from there, let's do it. Start with point 1. Point 1 is going to be in the same line with point 11. Point 1 with point 11. This is point 1. There it goes. Faint. You understand? Once it touch here, you take it to your apex point. Apex point. There is my apex point. There it goes. Right. Then we've gotten point 1. Now take point 2. 2, direct it to your apex point. So there it goes. Once it touch here, once it touch here, it goes to your apex point of your left hand side here with your 30mm rule. So it's out of angle. Don't be like, it's a, what angle did you use? You understand? So point 3 is already there. 3 in line with what? With 9 is already there. There it goes on touch, there goes to your what? To your apex point, isn't it? So now let's do point 4. Point 4 is this one in line with what? With point 8. So there it goes. There it goes. Once it touch there, goes to your apex point. Ish. This thing will cost me. Goes to my apex point. Everyone, faint. So point 5 is in line with 7. So there they go. Once they get there, you take them to your apex point, which is that one. Which is that one. Right. So these ones of front view, the auxiliary points of front view, they'll do the same thing. They'll be doing the same thing. You construct them one in line with 5. Once they touch there, they go to your apex point of your front view. This is my apex point of my front view, isn't it? This is the apex point of my left view. You understand? So let's do them. There it goes. Once it touch here, go back, go down to your apex point. There it goes. So this is point 1 in line with what? With point 5. You understand? So this point 1 in line with point 5. Let's get, remember this is your what? It's your front view. This is your front view. So what we know is that the line, the point 1 of our auxiliary left must intersect with the point 1 of auxiliary front view. You understand? So let's trace the point 1 of auxiliary left view. There it goes, there it goes. Actually, let's start with the 0 before we even go 1, because this is 0 and the 0, it is an existing point. Let's start with a 0. So there it goes. Trace it. Once it gets there, go to your what? To your apex point of your left hand side. But then once it touch the main pipe, once it touch the main pipe, you're gonna take it horizontally towards your front view. You understand? So this is point 0. There it goes. Once it gets there, take it to your what? To your apex point. But once it touch the main pipe, you are having a point which is point 0. So you're going to take it horizontally. So this point 0 is going to intersect with the 0 of my auxiliary front view, which is this one. This is the vertical center line. So there it goes, there it goes. So where they are intersecting, that's giving me 0.0. A1. So that's how we get it. So let's get the 0.1 that we were so anxious to get. So there is what 0.1. Trace it back right from the auxiliary of your left view. There it goes, there it goes. From there it goes to your apex point. Once it touches the main pipe, it's your point, which is that one. So take it horizontally. So there it goes towards your front view. This is your front view, isn't it? So once it touch the main pipe, take it horizontally. So must intersect with what? With the 0.1 of auxiliary front. There it goes. From there goes, that's give me a what? A point right there. That's going to be 0.1. We are getting the line of interpenetration. We are looking for the line of interpenetration, and the line of interpenetration is always expressed, or we always get it where there by your front view. So it's going to be a challenge if you don't even know which one amongst them is your front view. You understand? So let's go back. That goes tells you go back to your orthographic projection. So let's go to 0.2. We've gotten 0 and 1 and 2. So this is 0.2. 2, there it goes. Once it touch there, goes to your apex point, isn't it? Once it touch the main pipe, there it is. So which means I have a 2 here in line with 10. So this is 1 in line with 11. So take the 0.2 in line with 10, there it goes towards my front view, isn't it? Towards my front view. So now go back to the auxiliary of your front view, construct the 0.2 in line with 4. Take it vertical. So there it goes. Once it touch there, you are taking it out to your apex point auxiliary front, to your apex point of your front view, which is this one. So there it goes. So this one must intersect with what? With 2. Remember that this is what? This is 2 and 4. So the point that we're looking for is 0.2, which is this one. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. So I have a point right there. So this is going to be my 0.2. A1. So let it come out by itself. So now let's get 0.3, and the 0.3 is the center. Actually everything starts from the auxiliary of our left view. You understand? So 0.3, which is the center. There it goes, there it goes. Once it touched there, was directed to what? To your apex point, isn't it? So now once it touched the main pipe, you take it horizontally, and I will draw it as a center line. How do you draw a center line? Short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long. You understand? So there it is. Once it touches the main pipe, so this is going to be 0.9 in line with 3. You understand? So there it goes towards your left hand side to meet up with what? With 0.3 of your auxiliary front view, which is this one. This one, there it goes. From there comes here. So they are meeting right there. So that's my 0.3. A1. So get 0.4, go back to your auxiliary left view. 0.4 is that one. Trace it, there it goes, there it goes. From there it goes to your auxiliary, to your apex point, isn't it? So once it touches the main pipe, which is touching right there. You understand? So sorry about the hole there, so I'm going to construct it. There you go, faint towards my front view. Understand? So this is 0.4 in line with 8. So I can say this is 0.8 with 4, isn't it? When I'm naming. So now 0.4 there by your auxiliary front view is actually sharing the same line with what? With 2. So there it goes, must intersect with what? With this one. So which means I have a what? Point right there. which is 0.4.